Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. And we're going to be continuing back with our Django series. So today we are going to learn how to customize the Django registration form. We're not going to create our own quite yet, and I don't know if we're going to do that. But as we learned last time, and if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one video upon another. So we've been building this web page, and it's just a simple polling, but I want us to deal with login, registration, redirection, and going from there. So the default has a username, password, and password. But as we learned on our admin area, there is also a column for first name, last name, email address. There's a couple others, but that would be useful information to get from the user. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. So, all right. First, we're going to be manipulating the model, the user model. Now, this is what, I'm not reinventing the wheel. I want you to know where this is coming from. I'll have this down in the description below. So, all right, we're going to be using, we got the user model, and I'll show you exactly what we're doing. We're going to use some inheritance, then we're going to use another term that you may or may not know yet, and it's a little bit different. Well, we'll just look at it. So we have our username, first underscore name, last underscore name, email, password, and the way that we handle the password is password 1, password 2. Password 1, password 2. Now, the way that we're going to use this is we're going to use the inner class meta. All right, so we're going to use some inheritance just like this, then class meta, and then we're going to use what we're going to. All right, let's just get after it. So we're going to be manipulating this, and then we need to create a new file. So in your polls directory, I have mine just called forms.py. Forms, not a form, because you can have a problem with this. So forms, we're going to be updating we can have more than one form, so we can inherit this, and we're going to be creating a new object, a new class. So let's get at it. So here we go. So we're going to do from, actually, I'm sorry. We need to bring in, I'm just going to copy and paste this, and I'll show you. Ooh, let's get this. I bet this is pretty teeny tiny. I did not check that yet. There we go. So, all right, we are then inheriting, if you remember, we did this user creation form from Django. So we're going to be manipulating this. So we're going to bring in this inheritance and then bring in some more. So we have that. Then we need to bring in the user, just like right here. This is the model. So this is where this is coming from. All of this, models, then user. Then I'm bringing in user, and here's models.user. All right. Now, here's where the fun stuff happens. So class, create user form. This is our object, and we're going to be inheriting from here. Now here's where we manipulate meta. Now, bring in user right here. So we want in the fields, so this is all right here, okay? This is where I'm getting all this. I'm not reinventing the wheel. Did I spell that right? Yeah. And it's, now what you can experiment with this. These will actually be the fields in order. So the order and you place these is the order that will appear. Now, we might do this over here with our HTML, but right now this is already challenging enough. We're just doing this in our Python. So, all right, we got, and these are all strings. Username. All right, cool, you can see that. Username, then first name, and last name. And email. Password 1. Password 2. All right, close that out, close that out. Now, okay, so we have this built. Now this is where, all right, good. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. So now we need to bring forms into views, all right? And this is the way you do that. I want you to look real close here. So, all right, we have our create user form right here. So I'm pulling this in from forms. So dot is where, because we're right here in the same. So dot forms, grab this one. Then from there, if you have not seen the import videos, go back and see that. It'll explain the from and import if you're confused on this. But then go to here, grab this, bring this in. So now all I do is replace user creation form with my create user form. Save this, and let's make sure nothing throws up. All right, and let's come over here. Bam! So here we are. Username, first name, last name, email, password, and there we go. And I'm really on the fence about having this be it, or if we want to dip more into HTML and really control this and make this really pretty. So maybe we should start dropping down below. But next video, we've run way over, because like I said, this can get very complicated very quickly. But please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. And we'll deal with redirection next time. All right, bye guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.